Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to another video. Hello.
Happens sometimes.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video and today we are here with same topic vocabulary practice and today I make sentence on these vocabulary. So let's start with practice. Let's start practice with me and now I make sentence and then you make sentence on these vocabulary. So it will very helpful for you, for me, for every beginner. So let's start.
Yes, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great and I hope you are practicing every single day and learning new words. Okay, so let's get started. The words are decided by him and he has to make sentences now. Using the word, first word is energy.
Energy. Every morning I feel very energetic. I feel energetic every morning.
So that's energetic. This is an adjective. Energy is a noun. So we have to use energy in a sentence so that you can say like drinking a lot of water gives me the energy.
Hmm.
Short naps helps bring my energy back. This is how you can use the noun. You feel energetic. This is like a state of mind, the feeling you have. Energetic. Okay, can you try making sentence using energy?
There are so many liquids. There are so many liquids. They give they give energy to our body.
Hmm. Okay. Any other sentence if you like to make?
No.
No. Okay. Next word is find.
Find. Now I make sentence on this vocabulary and you find out my mistakes.
Okay.
Yes.
Any other sentence?
Sometimes I feel very tired and sometimes I feel that I am not able to that I am mm, not able to catch right answer. So that time uh, I go to ChatGPT and find the right
Answer.
answer answer.
Answer. Okay. I try to find out the right answer.
Hmm.
Okay. The next word is happy.
Happy. Today I am very happy
Hmm. Any other sentence? What makes you happy? Why are you happy today?
because I am making video and I am improving my English day by day.
Okay.
Yes.
And any other sentence?
Okay. Mm, I am very happy because
Hmm.
I am very happy. I was very happy when I first time learn how to drive car.
And even when you created your first video,
Yeah.
when you created
Today,
video too.
yesterday I was very happy because my channel achieved 4,000 watch hours completed because my channel 4,000 hour watch time
Watch time, 4,000 hours watch time is completed on your
completed.
YouTube channel. So you were very happy. Okay. So let me highlight a few synonyms of happy. Number one
Happy,
is glad.
delighted,
Delighted. Okay.
delighted, glad,
Hmm.
or
Thrilled.
thrilled. Yes,
Overjoyed.
or
Thrilled.
joyed.
On the cloud nine. In seventh heaven. Um, yeah. So these are the words: elated, delighted, exhilarated, euphoric. You are in a euphoric mood means you are in a happy mood. Glad is very common word. Instead of happy, repeating the word happy, you can use delighted. So I'm delighted to be here today. I'm delighted
Hmm.
to meet you today. I'm glad to see you today after so long. So this is how you can use these synonyms. Okay, would you like to make a sentence using delighted?
Okay. I'm very delighted because I connect because every day I connect with co-learners and beginners.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next word is repetition.
Repetition. Repetition is the key of improvement.
Hmm. Great. Success, improvement. Yes. Any other sentence? How often do you repeat things? Particularly when it comes to learning a language, like what are the things that you often repeat and how often do you repeat?
Mistakes. There are so many mistakes I repeated multiple times.
That's not for improvement. You are repeating and you are strengthening your mistakes in your mind.
Because when firstly we repeat mistake, then we improve. So then we repeat good things in a process upgrading way.
Once you make a mistake, you try to find out the correct one and then you repeat the correct word, correct sentence. That's what we have to repeat, not the mistakes we have to repeat.
Yes, but beginners repeat.
Okay. The next one is market.
Market. Today I'm going to market
Why?
because of some banks works.
Okay. And how often do you go to market?
How often? मतलब कितने टाइम?
Frequency. How many, like, how often, if I ask you, I'm asking you about the frequency, like twice a week
Daily.
or daily.
I
Yeah.
daily go to market
Hmm.
because I have some work with my business, with my work,
Hmm.
with anything house and chores work. So that's why I daily go to market.
Okay. Any other sentence? Do you like going to market?
Yes, I'm like very much.
I like very much, not
I
I am
like very
like.
much.
I like very much. Okay. So are you revising all the words we have done previously?
Yes,
Can you make a sentence using empty?
empty. The road is empty.
Hmm? Okay. Expensive?
iPhone brand is very expensive.
Effort?
If we put more efforts, then we definitely achieve our goals.
Habit?
Good habits. Good habits also take a lot of time.
Cold?
Cold. Cold. Today I have some cold.
Understand?
I am understanding.
I try to
I
understand.
try to understand how can I improve my communication skill.
Explain?
Could you explain me how can I make video on this topic?
Discuss?
Right now I'm discussing to you that I am making sentence. So how can I how can I make sentence in right way?
Okay, suggest.
Suggest me the best movie in 2026.
Answer?
Give me answer of my question.
Okay. Try to give the appropriate answer. So the last thing was sudden, like I just took as a test, like if he's revising all the previous words or not. And he didn't know that I'll do. I just also like looked at these words and started asking. So you did a great job. Keep revising, keep making small sentences, and gradually you will improve. And the same goes for you guys using all the words, make simple sentences, and then you can upgrade a bit. Then you can make a more intermediate level by adding more information on in those sentences. This is how you would be able to improve. And whenever you get opportunity to talk to any stranger, to any person, and if you want to talk to him, you can join Try to Thrive Telegram. From there, you can grab the opportunity of talking to me, and even you can talk to him too. Yeah.
Okay guys, that is for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.